My name is Rob Budworth, and I'm running for the Viroqua Food Co-op Board of Directors. This is my first time running for the board, and I would just say I'm running for the board because I used to serve on a volunteer fire department where I felt very close and invested in our small community, and I feel like being on the board would just fulfill that maybe in a little bit of a different way. I've worked for a co-op for the last 16 years, and I feel that I have a great understanding of cooperative values, missions, and community. And just why not be more involved with where you buy your groceries from, I would say. I'd appreciate your vote. Thank you very much.